Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. As in my previous video, I told you that there are some bearish signals appeared and the Stellar can have some drop. And this was the article that I shared with you. I just shared this article on the Tradingview and on the different platforms as well. And also I shared this article with you guys in the form of video as well. And this was the Bullish Shark pattern that I told you that due to this pattern, the completion of this pattern, the price action can have dropped now. And this was the final leg that was retraced between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. And here we had the final confirmation of the Bullish Shark, bearish Shark pattern. And now we can see that the price action has dropped well. If we place, for example, at this time I have placed this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, from C to D leg, then the price action is dropped between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci level. And if I place this same Fibonacci tool from A to D leg, then it is dropped between 0.50 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is the golden ratio for the retracement level. Now, if we watch this up channel that has been broken down, as in my previous article and video, I told you that this channel, this was the channel, can be dropped due to this formation of bearish shark. And we can see that at this time, finally, the price action has broken down this channel as well. And the movement of the price action within this channel was very much synchronized with these three indicators. I'm using the stochastic, MACD, and the momentum indicator. For example, whenever the price action was reaching at the support of this channel and the MACD, the stochastic was giving the bull cross and the MACD was turning bullish from bearish, and we receive the bullish signals by the momentum as well. For example, at this time it was strong bearish, and here it was turning bullish and it was turned weak bearish. And we can see that after that the price action took a powerful bullish divergence and reached up to the resistance of the channel. Same thing happened here. When the price action moved at the support, we received the same signals and the price action moved up again. But what happened this time? When the price action dropped at the support here, first we received the stochastic bull cross and the MACD was also turned bullish. But the momentum was ignoring the bullish signals that was appeared by the stochastic and the MACD as well. And so far you can see the momentum is turning more and more strong bearish. Therefore, finally the price action broke down the support of the channel. I always try to use a different combination of indicators whenever I find any pattern. For example, here I have found the up channel. Then I try to research what kind of indicators are working well with the channel or any pennant or triangle that I find on the chart. There are more than 5,000 indicators available on the Tradingview. If you don't have account there, then I have shared the link of the Tradingview in the video's description. You can create your account there. And after that, you can also find the different indicators and you can use the different combination of indicators like I'm using. Now let's move back to the topic, and this is the support and resistance chart, and this is basically the 2-day chart. And here we can see the very clear different support and resistance levels. And first, the price action broke out the 4.5 cents resistance and retested the resistance and moved towards the next resistance level and broke out the next resistance of 6 cents. And after retesting the 6 cents resistance level, it moved up to break out the next resistance level of 8 cents. This is very strong resistance level, as we can see that the price action is not able to break out this resistance level since it was broken down after August 2019, even after these several attempts. And after being rejected, the price action is moving towards the previous resistance that is working as a support at this time, and that is 6 cents. Maybe the price action will retest this 6 cents resistance level. And while the price action has broken down this up channel and it is moving back to retest the previous resistance level as well, it has formed a bullish reversal pattern, and that is the bullish bad pattern. This is the initial leg. And after initial leg, the price action has been retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. This is the first confirmation of the harmonic bullish bad pattern. Then the price action has been projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection level. This is the projection of A to B leg. Then finally the price action has moved or retraced between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. At this time, the price action has just hit the spike in this area, and maybe the price action will be completely entered soon in this potential reversal zone that starts from 6.8 cents and end up to at 6.5 cents. So this is the potential reversal zone. We should make this potential reversal zone as strictly our stop loss point, because if this potential reversal zone will be broken down, then the price action may move more down for the formation of bullish crab pattern that starts from 1.27 almost from here and ends up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level almost at this level. Therefore, we should use this potential reversal zone strictly as our stop loss in case of the complete candlesticks will be starting moving or closing below this potential reversal zone or PRZ level. And finally, I would like to recall this very big bullish bad pattern that is formed on the monthly chart by the price action of Stellar that I am sharing with you guys since last year. Every month that it has formed a very big bullish bad pattern, same as like it formed back in 2017 and produced more than 4,000% bullish rally. At this time, the price action has formed more bigger pattern than the previous one, and this pattern is on the monthly chart, and this pattern is on the weekly chart. Therefore, we can expect more powerful bullish rally on the long term, maybe within 1 or 2 or 3 years. But when the price action will take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone, as per Fibonacci sequence of bad pattern, it should at least enter in this area that is 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level that starts from 23 cents and ends up to almost 41 cents. So this can be almost, if the price action will be moved up to this area, that can be almost more than 600% profit potential trade. However, if the price action will cross up this area or break out this area, 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, then it can definitely start more powerful bullish rally than the previous one. So this was the update so far by the price action of Stellar. If you have any questions and you want to share your opinions about my analysis, then you can share in the comment section. I will definitely try my best to reach out your comments and to reply to those comments as soon as possible. Take care. Goodbye.